At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today, we're going to talk about our brand new LVT flooring called AquaStone. The AquaStone range is packed full of benefits. The first being that all the flooring comes with underlay already attached. This not only helps with comfort underfoot, it also improves sound reduction and improves heat retention. Available in 20 stunning decors, the AquaStone range is fully waterproof. It comes with a 20-year residential warranty and is suitable for use with underfloor heating. The Herringbone 5G click system also makes fitting nice and simple. You will receive packs with A and B sided boards. The A's have blue underlay attached and the B's have black. These are laid in an alternating fashion, starting with A followed by B and so on. Ensure that the boards are laid on a perfectly flat subfloor and every joint is laid at a perfect 90-degree angle. Engage the long joint, bringing the short joint as close to the adjoining board as possible. Lower, and don't worry if the short joint sits proud. Take a rubber mallet or a tapping block and hammer and tap along the short joint until the board is fully engaged. The AquaStone range really is the full package. Order your samples today or use our room visualizer so you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.